One way to run Kali Linux is to have a live USB. That means a USB flash drive that you plug into your computer, you restart your computer and it starts Kali Linux. Now you can buy such a drive online. For example, if I search for google.com and say buy the flash USB, you'll see you can buy such a drive. Let me just do it with Firefox then. Sorry, my browser is annoying me. Okay, let's go to google.com and say buy Kali Linux flash drive. So you'll see you can buy such a drive directly from the internet with it pre-installed. So all you have to do is to buy it. Okay, this is apparently CD-ROM version. So all you have to do is to buy it and plug it into your computer, restart, and it will start Kali Linux. So that's one way to get Kali Linux. If you want to create your own live USB, you can do that as well. So all you need is a USB flash drive, and then you need to download Kali. So go to kali.org, click download, and you'll see many different options. You'll need live boot, so that will let you install it on a USB flash drive. And then your version, so 64-bit if you have any modern computer. For old computers or for Apple, you have Apple M1 here and 32-bit. Otherwise there's 64-bit, and you'll see we can download the image here. It's 3.5 gigabytes. So once you just click to download, you'll see a downloads.iso file, and next thing you will need is to install that ISO file onto your flash drive. So you can do that with a program called Balena Etcher. It's balena.io, Balena Etcher. You'll see Balena Etcher here, so balena.io, and click downloads. And that will download the Balena Etcher program. And this program just have two steps actually. You'll select your image, then select your drive and click flash. And the image in this case is the ISO file. So that's all that is necessary to create your Kali Linux flash drive. So the most easy is of course just to order it online, plug it into your drive and restart your computer. Then it will start Kali Linux. If you want to create your own boot disk from an existing USB drive, you can use Balena Etcher to write the image, the ISO file, onto your drive and click flash. So that will create the image. That will create the Kali Linux USB drive. So on kali.org, make sure you then select live boot and you can create your own live USB.